the Mikuni carburetor is on, and I decided I was going to change the throttle cable to a blue fongier, but it won't work because of the end. The end that will not fit into this stage 6 throttle housing. Now, I would suggest to anybody that's racing one of these little Hondas or whatever, spend the 90 bucks on the chrome stage 6 throttle housing. It works really good. Works on my bike. I've got videos on how to put it on. It also comes with, I believe it comes with, this little chrome thing for the turn signals, and I managed to make it work. So I've managed to make everything work. Plus, what's more importantly is I've kept the mirror mounts, which had to be slightly modified. Now on this, damn, I can't take this off, but on this stage 6 right here, on this grip, there are 3 different locations for the end of your throttle line. So you can go tight, tighter, or wider. Tight's always better. And I thought I was going to change the deal, and I can't do it. This little button right here, it's really cool. I found out it is a kill switch. And I don't really need a kill switch because I just grab up here. But that comes with that, which is kind of a nice thing. And another thing I want to give, I bought this from the scooter swap shop out of Portland. And when I got it, I put it on the motor. The motor's on my table. I thought I made a huge mistake. I paid a lot of money for it. A scooter shop, generally, they have higher prices, but I want to tell you why. That's what I think, anyway. Is that in Portland and Oregon, they don't charge sales tax. In Washington, they charge 10%. Well, in Portland, they get you on business tax, property tax. They get their money one way or the other, and these guys have got to raise their prices. I've had nothing but good things to say about, I believe the gentleman's name is Brandon, and I don't know what his partner's name is right off the bat. But if any of you have a big stroker and you need a kickdown that works really good, I thought I made a huge mistake buying this. It is the best kit, one of the best kickers that I've had, and it's really well built. Everything stage 6 that I've bought, and I usually buy stage 6 here and there from their European places. They've been expensive, but they've been very, very good. So anyway, I just wanted to give a shout out to Brandon, Scooter Swap Shop in Portland, for getting me these parts and treating me good and taking care of me. And if anyone's out there, you know, in the United States or close to Portland, which I am, I'm 6 hours away, check them out, because I will one day, if I don't die first, but I'm getting older by the day. Anyway, I just want to say thank you, gentlemen, from DIOSpeedDEMON. I imagine you have a very nice shop. They have some really interesting parts. I'm still waiting for this blue anodized cover to come in. They had one. It's just totally cool looking. It looks like that battery right there in blue anodized. And I want to get it for the transmission cover. The Scooter Swap Shop had one, and I don't think they've got them in yet or something. I don't know. So that's where I'm at so far. And another small tip is, it's good to keep your fuel line a little extra long, because this has a side mount. Mikuni has a side mount fuel deal, and you may have to change things. So, and also if you get a little on-off valve, it's really good, because what you do is, instead of pulling the carburetor and having gas fly all over fucking everywhere, you turn the gas off on the bike, run the bike until it stops, and generally you have all the gas out of the line from your fuel filter on. Always use a fuel filter, guys. Use a fuel filter before your carburetor. Do not count on the one in the tank, Because I'll ask you right now, have you ever seen it? Probably a lot of people would know. Have you ever checked on it? No. Do you know if it's broke?